Andile, why do you always drink that?
Fuck off.
What did you say to me?
Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off, sir. For a running nose, not to get sick. Fuck off.
Hey, because I'm trying to never, sister, no.
This means we are number one.
It's 9/11 in the hole.
Oh my God.
It's 9/11 in the hole.
Oh my God.
Oh, I think you've got to...
What? Fuck, fuck off, I'm on live telly. Fuck off out of it. Stay out of my office. I'm on to fucking hell. Fuck off, you little twat.
I think what everyone wants to know now is what are you going to do with all this money?
I'm going to reinvest my money into the community.
Oh, that's a very nice gesture. What